amazingly simple.
What's up, stock traders? Johnny Red here from Transparent Traders. How about no echo? So great to be able to finally say the echo is gone. So today we're going to talk about stock ticker U, which is Unity Software. Basically, a little bit of background. They're California-based software company, video game software development company. Platform provides software solutions to create and monetize interactive real-time 2D and 3D content for mobile phones, tablets, PCs, you name it, they got it. They're basically say they got the software to change the world. So let's get into that breakdown, folks. So as you see here, folks, I got the TT Blackbox pulled up. You can tell that I filtered looking for swing trades basically for U, stock ticker U, bullish, bearish. You can see we don't have any. Basically, our algorithms haven't alerted for that big move, but we're going to go on and do a breakdown on what I see in the chart, where I would enter it and what I would do. A little more info on stock ticker U. Earnings is scheduled for February 3rd. So if we don't see this move really happen, probably in about the next 8 days, I probably wouldn't trade this, just for the simple fact that I don't like to trade a week building up into earnings. And then just a little bit on their finances. On those earnings, they're expected to report a negative 0.08 per share, which is still year over year, that's 20% gain. So looking a little bit better, and company's doing good. So let's get those trade view charts pulled up and do that breakdown. So as you can see right here on this chart, I got the 30-minute chart for Unity pulled up on TradingView. Basically, you can see I got this little channel made for bullish and bearish break. Basically, it closed after hour session on Friday at 117.63. So pre-market on Tuesday, that's where it's going to open up at. I'm looking for a bearish entry around 114.40, and then for a bullish entry, I'd be looking at 124. Okay, so for the bearish range, basically you can see that in that 114.40 range, that's basically where it tried to test several times, and you figure we're looking, basically when you look at this, we're going back all the way into, August. So we're looking at the last few months. I normally try to go back about 2 to 3 weeks, try to do these evaluations. So that's the strategy I use. So you can see that's why I'm picking the 114.40 range. And if we come back over here, the next really range that it had is, we can put another line in here and say that our first target range would be this 111.45, and that builds us a channel. So 111.45 would be the first target exit if this tends to go bearish, and we'd be looking for 106.31 after that. So on the bullish side, and this is where I'd really like to see, I think this company's got some really good potential. I'd like to see this break back above 124, and I'm getting that based off, if you look right in here, last week, this is when it finally broke below these ranges, and it tested that range multiple days in a row before it finally broke back above it, which that comes to our first target entry, which is at 131.90 mark, which that's basically this purple line, that's the breakout indicator line. That is a custom algorithm by Transparent Traders, James Mason, that created this. It's an algorithm that basically, if we can break above that line, we should see a big push. But we're going to enter before, and that's going to be our first target. So if we get above that, you can see that we're going to look for the 140.20 range. So that's basically what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for this to go in bullish, 124 for an entry, looking for that first target at 131.90, then up to 140.20. Remember to always be watching your stop losses. If you're taking call contracts on this, I would probably be taking the 125 February 18th, 2022 contracts. For the bearish ones, I'd be looking to take like the 115 or 110 put contracts, same expiry date, which would be February 18th, 2022. So there you have it, folks. That's a quick 2-minute breakdown on stock ticker U. And as always, folks, base hits pad the wallet. Johnny Red out.